Another day and another debate for the Maverick to settle. Listen to this one now. Did Jamaica produce the likes of Raheem Sterling? And before him, John Barnes, extended to the likes of Linford Christie and Donovan Bailey and Ben Johnson. These were people who were all born in Jamaica, but migrated and went on to become world beaters. One side of the argument is that Jamaica did not produce these world beaters. They were just born here. It was the countries that developed them that produced them. I think that is foolishness. We should not confuse producing something with developing something. So all of those world beaters we mentioned earlier were products of Jamaica who migrated and were developed by other countries to become world beaters. As long as they're born in Jamaica, they are products of Jamaica. And we have one example to settle this argument once and for all. If a little baby is born to his parents in Kingston, Jamaica, he is a product of his parents and of Kingston, Jamaica, right? What now if that little baby migrates to America with his parents at age 2 and then grows and develops into becoming a top nuclear scientist? Would he then stop being a product of his parents and of Kingston, Jamaica? No, that nuclear scientist would be a product of Jamaica, but developed in America. Simple common sense. Why you don't want to find good arguments to challenge the Mavericks' intellect? Eh? You don't like when we use the dialect? Well, all right.